Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Laurencyia Monaye, and today I will be reviewing the complete waxing kit from TRESS Wellness. So let's get right into it. So I was sent this wax kit. I was sent this waxing kit, which comes with the warmer and all the beads, everything. I'm about to unbox it though so y'all can see, but before I do that, this is available on Amazon Prime. I literally got it in a day. It was ordered on the 4th and I got it on the 4th. So let's get into the unboxing. So in the kit comes the warmer, which has a transparent lid that allows monitoring wax meltdown process. It has a temperature adjust dial, removable pot that's easy to clean, and an LCD temperature display screen. Also, it comes with a bunch of different wax beads. The wax beads that it comes with are lavender, lemon, eucalyptus, tea tree, and peppermint, and they are all a hard wax. It also comes with wooden sticks, some pre-wax and after wax spray, some paper rings, and an instruction manual. So 3 important facts that TRESS Wellness Company wanted me to share with you guys is that their hard wax is 100% vegan and cruelty free. Also is dermatologically approved and super easy to use at home. And last but not least, their wax kit is the #1 bestseller on Amazon within this category. So with all of those facts being said, as for my experiences with wax, I do get wax. I get Brazilian waxes, but that's about it. I've never waxed my legs, my underarms. I've never even got my eyebrows waxed. I am a thread type of girl personally. So yeah, this should be interesting. We'll see how easy it is to use at home and even for first time waxers like me. So without further ado, let's just get on with this video. Alright, so I have everything spread out in front of me right now. I'm about to change y'all camera angle, but I just read the instructions. It doesn't seem bad, so let's go ahead and set it up. I already decided I want to use the lavender one, just because lavender is one of my favorite scents. So let's get this all set up, y'all. Gotta get right, trying to free my mind before the end of the world. I don't miss no ex, I don't miss no text. They choose not to respond. I don't regret, just pretend it should never happen. Half of us laying in place that our youth is in the present. Half of us chasing fountains of youth and it's in the present now. Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've get from you, the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make some simple change. Me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good. I disappeared if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit. Gotta on my cross to be alone. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like
that shit keep ooh, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta give up losing the first of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me on your baby. Yeah. Trying to read the new sense, it's just urgent. Makes a simple change to me, a war in my mind. Let go, he was holding me to the right. What it will bring up in front of me. I weep my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. But then, it's surely inside. Could be in my mind. Gotta get right.
Okay, I just wanted to cut away and talk real quick. So the first few times I did it too thin. Like, as y'all can see, that's super thin, and you should not be using that much because it's gonna make it harder to come off. But as time went on, it did get super easy to use. Just use a nice amount, and you see, like, I'm going over it and stuff. Like, it just takes a minute to get used to doing, but once you do and you get in the swing of it, I did my whole leg with ease. You'll even see I did my arm. So overall, I do really love this wax kit. It is definitely beginner friendly. And not only that, it did successfully remove the hairs from my leg. I will insert my before and after videos just so y'all can see a closer look. Like, yeah, see, I messed up there, but it worked eventually because, like I said, I'll show y'all the videos, but I will have a discount code in my description box, so make sure to look out for that. But I won't do too much more talking now. Just let the video play out, and then it'll be the end of this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you in my next video.
I should have given from